people here can utilize from what they are doing. I mean, my goodness, I still can't get over this.
Horticultural therapy has a number of benefits in many human domains. We use it for physical rehabilitations. Also, it's a great tool for working on memory, planning, sequencing. So you get a lot of benefit from horticulture. Many of our residents have difficulty with fine motor skills, so gardening that requires a lot of fine work with your fingers, it can be very difficult.
There are people here who can't use their hands, their limbs as well as I can. People need to do something, and they want to do something, and they can't.
When we were working with the residents, what really gave us an insight was that they wanted to be independent people and that they can do it. And maybe as designers, our goal is to just help and aid them to be able to reach that.
For the shears, I know it was the grip and the things that they don't have a lot of strength in their hands, and so traditional pruning tools and things like that, you need a lot of strength to be able to actually clip stuff, and a lot of times there's pain like in this part of your hand. So I know they were really focusing on physical pain points, as well as trying to give a more sense of independence for the residents, because right now a lot of it is just watching. And then my group is working on a pot attachment for their wheelchair, so it's an actual flower vase, and they're able to slide it onto their actual wheelchair and take it with them. That attachment was meant so now they can take their vases up to their room themselves, they can have their flowers with them and be like, look what I made, look what I arranged.
I feel that this research project is a very Georgia Tech project because at its core, it's about using our resources to help people through research. And especially in the industrial design program, research is something that we really focus on at Georgia Tech, and I don't think we'd be able to do this study without that foundation.
Our partnership with Georgia Tech has been very, very positive. It's been wonderful to see the students working with the residents, that intergenerational connection. The residents love it. They love sharing their life experiences, and they love benefiting the students' education.
I feel that they're building these tools for me and for us, I should say. And I feel that I'm helping the students. That makes me feel good, you know? I don't mind doing that at all, not at all.